Hey YouTube, how's it going? Everything nearly here? And I have this flip phone, but something sad happened. What happened was I filmed the drop test, and the footage did not save. So, I don't know if you guys can tell, but in the front, right in here, I'll just try to look. So I filmed the drop test, and it's all broken. Same way this one is. So, I figure I'll have a water test. So, yeah. Let me go get a cup, put some water on. Hey YouTube, I'm back with the phone. As you can see, it's working. The battery is almost dead, so I don't know how long it will last. But, got the bottle of water. I didn't mean to drop it like that. It's in the freezer. I'll be back when it is done. Okay, YouTube, I'm gonna have an update on the phone. It looks like it turned off. And you can't tell, but it looks like it turned off. And there's water. Oh, it's starting to freeze. It's almost solid. So it looks like there's water in the screen. As you guys can tell. Yeah, it looks like there's water in there. But we'll leave it in there for a little longer, and I'll probably take it out for you guys tomorrow and do a drop test it from like 100 feet. Not 100 feet, like 75, 80 feet. But yeah, stay tuned for more. Okay, YouTube update. It's colder outside, so I just put it outside. It's kind of frozen. It's -9 out, so it's colder outside than it is in the freezer. So, it's almost frozen. It's kind of not. There's still some liquid in it, but whenever it's frozen, fully, I'll come back. Yeah. Oh, hey YouTube. It is morning, and I put it back in the freezer, and it's fully frozen. So, yeah. I'll have in a little bit a drop test coming up with it, so that'll be part of the video. But what I'm only gonna do at the drop zone is do slow motion, because it sounds like a little bit cooler idea than normal video. So I'll only do slow motion when we drop it, but yeah. Okay, so YouTube, that's pretty much it for this video. So I'm gonna have to go home and edit some of these videos because I missed a couple times. Here's the phone after the freezing and dropping. I'll go home, dry it out for a bit, and see if I can get it to work again. But really, it doesn't seem like it's gonna do anything. All the buttons are froze down. Some of the plastic is cracking. It's pretty bad. So here's that for you guys. I'll go home, clean it off, see if it works again. So if you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more content. And as always, peace.